What if I told you that one of the biggest changes happening in business has nothing to do with AI and everything to do with trust? For years, businesses believed that ranking on Google was the ultimate goal. If your website appeared at the top of the search results, customers would find you, visit your website, and hopefully become clients. That strategy worked for a long time, but something is quietly changing. Think about the last time you wanted to buy a product, hire a contractor, or try a new restaurant. Did you only visit the company's website? Probably not. You searched YouTube to watch reviews. You checked Google ratings. You looked through Reddit discussions. Maybe you asked ChatGPT or another AI assistant for recommendations. Without realizing it, you weren't looking for information. You were looking for confidence. And that's changing the way people discover businesses. Today's customers don't automatically trust what a company says about itself. They want to know what other people think. They want proof. They want real experiences, and they want answers from sources they already trust. That's why trust has quietly become one of the most valuable assets a business can build. Imagine two businesses offering exactly the same service. One has a beautiful website, but very few reviews, no educational content, and almost no online presence beyond its own pages. The other has helpful YouTube videos, positive customer reviews, active social media, and people mentioning the business in online discussions. Which one feels safer? Most people choose the second business, not because it's necessarily better, but because it feels more trustworthy. This is exactly how AI is changing search. AI doesn't simply read your website. It looks across multiple sources to understand whether your business is consistently recognized, recommended, and trusted. In other words, your reputation is becoming just as important as your website. That's a major shift. Businesses can no longer rely on being easy to find. They also have to become easy to trust. This doesn't mean SEO is disappearing. Far from it, people will always search online, but search is becoming smarter. Instead of asking, which website contains these keywords, the question is becoming, which business seems most reliable? That changes everything. The businesses that will grow over the next decade won't just create better websites. They'll create better reputations. They'll answer questions before customers ask them. They'll publish helpful content. They'll encourage genuine reviews. They'll build relationships instead of simply chasing rankings. And that's good news for small businesses. You don't need the biggest marketing budget to become trusted. You need consistency, expertise, honesty, and a willingness to genuinely help people. Every helpful article, every useful video, every satisfied customer, and every honest review becomes another reason for people to trust your business. Because people don't choose businesses based on what the business says anymore. They choose businesses based on what the internet says about them. So the next time you're thinking about improving your marketing, don't just ask how to rank higher. Ask a better question. How can I become the business people trust before they ever visit my website? Because in the years ahead, the businesses that win won't simply be the easiest to find. They'll be the easiest to believe. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more documentaries exploring business psychology, branding, AI, and the hidden reasons successful businesses grow. Thanks for watching.